Welcome! If you are starting your AWS journey and everything feels confusion, don't worry. We are going to make it simple. I am Luciana, and this free AWS Cloud Practitioner course will guide you step by step in a practical way, exactly like the AWS exam guide. Every video is short, clear, and focused on what you actually need to understand for the exam. We are going to learn the core concepts of AWS, not by memorize, but by understand the partners behind the services. And throughout the lessons, I will also show you some example questions so you can practice the way the real exam thinks. If you want to keep learning, just follow the playlist. But if you want more practice questions, I will leave a link in the description. Alright, let's begin.